Tired of store-bought herbs losing flavor in the fridge? Wish you could snip fresh basil for pesto whenever you crave it? We've got some exciting tips, DIY hacks, and natural pesticide recipes to help you grow fresh herbs right at home. Let's get our hands dirty and make your garden thrive. Tip 1. Choose the right location. Choose a sunny spot with at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Tip 2. Start small. Start small with a few easy-to-grow plants and gradually expand. Tip 3. Plan your layout. Plan your garden layout using containers or raised beds. Tip 4. Use quality soil. Invest in good quality soil or compost for nutrient-rich growth. Tip 5. Select suitable plants. Choose plants that thrive in your climate and space. DIY hacks. Here are some DIY hacks to enhance your kitchen garden experience. Hack 1. DIY self-watering system. Create a self-watering system using a plastic bottle. Poke small holes in the cap, fill the bottle with water, and bury it upside down in the soil near your plants. Hack 2. Recycled planters. Use old containers, like tin cans or plastic bottles, as planters. Just add drainage holes at the bottom. Hack 3. Eggshell seed starters. Start seeds in eggshells filled with soil. Once the seedlings are ready, plant the whole shell in the garden. The shell will decompose and provide nutrients. Hack 4. Coffee grounds for fertilizer. Sprinkle used tea grounds around your plants to enrich the soil with nitrogen. Hack 5. Companion planting. Grow complementary plants together to enhance growth and deter pests. For example, plant basil near tomatoes. Natural pesticides segment. Now, let's make some natural pesticides to keep your garden healthy and pest-free. Pesticide 1. Neem oil spray. Spraying the mixture of neem oil, mild liquid soap and water directly on the plant allows you to target the pests directly, both on the top and undersides of leaves. Pesticide 2. Garlic spray. Blend 2 whole bulbs of garlic with a small amount of water. Strain, then add the liquid to a quart of water with a teaspoon of mild soap. Spray on plants to repel insects. Pesticide 3. Mix of cayenne pepper, water and mild liquid soap is great. This is a safe, natural alternative to chemical pesticides. It won't harm beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings that can actually help control pest populations. Happy gardening! Subscribe for more tips, tricks, DIY hacks, and natural pesticide recipes to grow your own food at home.